So it's saying in the diagram below, AO, the vector OA is equal to A. From O to A is what? It's AI. Then OB, from O to B is what? It's B. Are we together? Then we are told to say the ratio AC to CB, okay? AC to CB is equal to what? 1 over what? 2. 1 over 2, that's the ratio. Now, when they say, it's like they've written like this, AC to what? To CB. That's the meaning. Are we together? So the ratio is given by what? It's 1 to 1 to 2, okay, respectively. Okay? So these are in respective terms. What we mean is this AC goes with what? Ratio 1. Then this BC goes with ratio what? Ratio 2. That's the meaning. Are we together, people? Now, in this case, what is our ratio for A? Ratio AC. AC, the ratio is what? It's 1. Then the ratio for what? CB is what? It's 2. So we can even put, where is AC? AC we have put 1. So this is 1. Then what is CB? It's what? It's 2. Okay? So here what we have, it's like we have this one, right? This one is a fraction. We're going to say what we have. The term we have in terms of a vector, we have this AC, it's 1 over, what's the total ratio? 1 plus 2 is what? It's 3, yes. 3 of what? AB. Are we together? 3 of AB. 3 of 1 over 3 of vector what? AB. Okay? Then CB is 2. So this CB here you can also write as what? You can also write as 2 over what's the total ratio? 3, very good. 3 of what? A and B. Alright guys? 3 of AB. Are we together? So here what we have is 1 over 3 of vector what? AB. Then here since we have the ratio which is 2, so it's a 2 over 3 of which total AB. Are we together? We can now move on. Then they are saying, the first question is saying express in terms of A and O, B. Express in terms of A and O, B, meaning our answer should consist of A or what? B. Okay? So the first one we want is vector AB. They want us to find this vector AB from A to B. From A, where is A? From A to what? B. This is what they want us to find. Right? So let me answer it on this side. So solutions or answers. Okay, the first one is question A. We want vector what? Vector A, B. So how can we move from A to B? So for us to move from this point to this point, you can move in this way. You can say A, O plus O, B. Is it okay? A, O plus O, B. Okay? So say A, O plus O, B. Okay? So now, what is our AO? Okay? AO, since we are moving against the arrow, we are going to have a negative AI. We are going to have negative A because we are moving against, this is OA. OA is positive A. Then, now, as we are moving in a way, we are starting from what? From A going to what? O. So it's going to become negative what? Negative A. Then, plus, what is our OB? OB is positive what? Positive B. OB is positive what? Positive B. So this is our answer. Or others maybe start with a positive and say vector B minus vector A. Are we together? So this is our answer for the first question. Okay? Then let us look at question B. They want AC from A to C. From A to C. Are we together? A, C. From A to C. So let's find AC. So question B, let's find AC. Okay? Now AC, we know AC is 1/3 of vector AB. 1 over 3 of vector AB. So we say AC is 1 over 3 of vector AB. Okay? So AC, okay, is equal to 1 over 3. We have this vector, is it? This one. We have AB, this one. Okay, so we need to be careful. These are called subsequent questions because we are going to use this answer to find this answer. Are we together? So once you make a mistake in the first question, you are going to also get this question what? Wrong. So we know our AB. So what is our AB? Our AB is what? It's B minus what? A. Okay? So you can say AC is equal to, you can multiply and say 1 over 3 times B, you get what? You can say B over 3, or you can say 1 over 3B. Okay? Vector B. Then minus 1 over 3 times, so you can say 1 over 3 vector what? Vector A, like this. Are we together? So this is our answer. Okay? This is our answer for question what? For question B. Okay? Then question C, it's saying find what? OC. From O to C, where is O? Where is O? OC. OC. This one is simple. How can we move? From O to C, we can move in this direction. You can say OB plus BC. Or alternatively, you can say OA plus AC. Is it okay? So let's look at C. Therefore, O what? OC. So what is OC? How can we move from O to C? So you can say OA, okay? OA vector OA plus A what? AC plus A plus A plus AC. Okay? So OC is equal to, what is our OA? What is our OA? What is our OA? What is our OA? From O to A, this is A. This is what? A. Okay? Just say A plus, what is our AC? This is our AC. Eh? So our AC is what? Our AC is what? It's 1 over 3 vector B. Okay? Minus 1 over 3 vector what? Vector A. Are we together? So at this level, what are we going to do? We are going to group the like terms, right? These are like terms. These are not like terms. So this A, it's a like term to this 1 over 3 A, which is negative. So OC is equal to, so we maintain this one, A, then we have minus 1 over 3 vector A, okay, plus 1 over 3 vector B. So at this level, what are we going to do? At this level, we can say over 1. Okay? Then you say OC is equal to, in this case, what is our lowest common denominator? It's 3. Yes, so you say 3, then you divide and say 1 into 3, it's 3A. 3 times A, you get 3A, very good. Minus 3 into 3, it's 1. 1 times A, you get what? 3 into 3, it's 1. 1 times A, you get what? You get AI. Then plus 1 over 3 vector what? Vector B. So OC is equal to 3A minus A. You get what? 2A. Over what? Over 3. Plus what? 1 over 3 vector B. So this is our answer. Okay. Now let us look at the last question. So this is Roman numeral 1. Roman numeral 1, A, B, and C. Now, Roman numeral 2. Given that M is the midpoint, take note, M is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. So when we say M is the midpoint, what we mean is from O to M and from M to C, these are equal. These are what? These are equal. Since this is the midpoint, okay? These two are what? These two are equal. Okay? So they are saying M is the midpoint of OC, meaning M cuts OC into two equal parts. Okay? Show that AM is equal to 1 over 6, open brackets, B minus 4 vector A close. Okay, they want us to show that AM, from A to M, AM is equal to 1 over 6, open brackets, B minus 4 vector A close. Let us show. Okay, so our Roman numeral 2, they want us to show. Just showing. They want us to AM is equal to what? 1 over, is it 6? Try to check for me if you have not made a mistake. Minus 4 vector A. Are we together? So now, for us to solve that one, we need to come up with steps which are going to lead us to this. Okay? So firstly, we need to add two terms which are going to give us what? AM. So how can we move from A to M? Okay? How can we move from A to M? From A to M. How can we move from A to M? Look at this one, people. How can we move from A to M? Right? So how can we move? Can move in this direction and say A, O. Is it okay? Plus O, M. Are we together? A, O plus O, M. Okay? Take note. So we're saying we're going to move like what? Like A, O plus what, guys? Is it O what? O, M, very good. O, M. Okay? So guys, what is our AO? AO is negative A. Negative A. So you put negative A, okay, plus. Now remember, OM. Since M is the midpoint of OC, okay? M is the midpoint of OC. So OM becomes half of OC. This is half. And this is half. Half of this. This is half. This is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 of this. Is it okay? This is half. This is half. This is also half. So OM is half of OC. Is it okay? OM. So you say OM is 1 over 2, which is half of what? Vector OC. Now do we have vector OC anyway? Do you have vector OC? This is our OC. Okay? So let's try to work out this one. So negative A, then plus 1 over 2. What is our OC, people? OC is what? Is it 2 over 3? Vector A plus 1 over 3 vector what? Vector B. Let's try to work out this one. Okay? Is equal to negative A maintain. Then here what you do, you multiply this scalar by what is inside line. So we say plus, okay? What is 1 times 2A? You get what? 2A over 2 times, what is 2 times 3? 6. You get 6. Is it okay? Plus 1 times B, you get what? 1 times 1 is what? We're going to have B, you can say 1, vector B, over 2 times 3, you get what? You get 6. Are we together? So what are we going to do in this case? Okay? So these are like terms, right? These are like terms. So what you're going to do, you can say over what? 1, right? Then you say is equal to, what is our lowest common denominator of 6? 1 and 6? 6. It's 6. So let's try to use 6. Okay? And then you say 1 into 6 is 6, right? 6 times negative A, you get negative 6A. Then plus, is it okay, people? Then 6 into 6, it's 1. 1 times 2A, you get 2A. Then plus 1 over 6 vector what? Vector B. Is it okay? Then we know that negative 6A plus 2A gets negative 4A over what, people? Over 6. Then plus 1 over 6 what? B. Are we together, people? Yes. So in this case now, look at the level where we've reached and what they want. Are we together? So what we're going to do for us to show that this one is equal to this, we're going to factorize. Let's factorize. So what is common here? What is common? I think on top what is common? I think 1 is common, On top 1 is common. 1 is common. So it's 1 is common. So it's 1 over, what about here? What is common? 6. 6 is common, Then you can open up the brackets. Are we moving together? Yes. So 1 into negative 4A, are going to have what? Negative 4A. Are we moving together? Then 1 into B, just get what? Positive what? Positive B. If you want, you can say 1 over 6. You can start with the positive I and say B minus 4 vector A. Are we together? Okay, so then you say ends what? Ends shown. So this is what we wanted. Are we together, people? Yes. So ends shown. So the answer. I hope we don't have issues. No more issues, Commander.